Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2022 28 Vantage. What an incredible boat this is. They just redid it last year with an all-new body style. They made it a little bit longer, a little bit wider on it. They also added the dive door into it, which was a phenomenal feature. I'll explain a little bit more of that when we get back on the boat. It's in the Apico blue and it's powered by the Mercury Twin 250s. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 28 Vantage. Let's start at the back. Again, it's powered by the new Merc 250s. Incredible engines, great top end, great hole shot, very little noise, very little vibration, just incredible motors for this boat. If you're just going for a nice ride, you got a very comfortable fold down seat here. If you're going to fish, fold it right up, and now you've got a nice leaning post, rod holders all the way through. You got your bait very conveniently located, your bait well, your live well. And then over here we've got the dive door, which is just a really nice addition to this year's model. The live well was new in this location, and then this is new also. Great, safest way to get on the boat from a floating dock. And the ladder drops in. It's four very sturdy ladder drops in from the going aboard from the water here. You've got a railing to hold on to instead of dropping the side of the boat. So very safe way to get on the boat. Nice addition. So we've got the folding seat here. You've got storage underneath. There's your ladder down below. I can turn this into a lounger. Like so, so you can, two people can lounge very comfortably this way, or I can drop it back down. And then you can lounge two people very comfortably this way. So very versatile seat, more storage under here. So I can sit either direction. And then we have, they add another addition is they added this little seat here, which is just an extra seat, but very comfortable, very nice seat. And it also doubles as a cooler. So you can get on board, throw all your drinks there, a couple bags of ice, self-draining, insulated. So just a nice feature. You do have a nice sink, faucet comes up. And then you got a refrigerator. It also will have a freezer here. You can keep a half a bag of ice up here for your drinks. You've got the joystick operation here, so you can go sideways. I've got 100% control of this boat, no matter what condition it is, windy, current, it doesn't matter. I've got full control. I can get in that slip any place, anytime, any condition. So real great features. It's got an auto heading, and it also has the sky hook, which is great as well. This particular model, we didn't order it with electronics, so you can actually pick your own. And this is a Mercury Smartcraft, which is a computer. Very nice, neat, clean. And then we come over to the head, which is a really nice big head. It's got the vacuum flush. It's got a pull-out spray faucet, so you can actually rinse yourself off and change your clothes to go into a restaurant for a nice dinner after a good day on the beach. So very large storage. It has some of the canvas in here right now, but it's very large, and it's also dry storage. And you have a little trash door right here. There's a red 5-gallon pail in there, so it's easy to empty the trash. It's very cool, very convenient for everybody just to drop their trash right on in. You've got big storage here. This storage goes all the way into the to this side here, so it's all one big storage. You can fit large items in there as well. Storage under the seats over here. And then lastly, you've got the windlass. So you've got the windlass anchor, which is recessed, which is really nice. And then you've got the beach boarding ladder that you can deploy right onto the sand, so you're not getting in and out of the water to get on and off the boat. And then when you do get back on the boat, you can stand right here and you can rinse the sand off your feet before you get on the boat, which is always a good thing. So the big hard top, it's got the sure shade on it up top, the automatic, which gives you full coverage of sun. And it's just an incredible boat. You can go anywhere you want with this boat. So if you get any questions or would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.